A for apple. Apple is red. Say apple. B for banana. Banana is yellow. Say banana. M for mango. Mango is tasty. Say mango. O for orange. Orange is juicy. Say orange. G for grapes. Grapes are sweet. Say grapes. P for pineapple. Pineapple is sweet. Say pineapple. P for papaya. Papaya is healthy. Say papaya. W for watermelon. Watermelon is big. Say watermelon. G for guava. Guava is green. Say guava. S for strawberry. Strawberry is red. Say strawberry.